All right. So here we have 40.63.50 to go long. So this is very simple. Make sure we have the chart trader on. 40.63.50 to go long. All right.
Order filled.
Okay. 40.63.50 to go long. Now you may ask, what about the profit target, right? So let me expand this out here just a little bit so you can understand the reasoning for the target. Why am I taking only 3 ticks? So 3 ticks, if you look down here on the average true range, is indicating that is the movement that the market is able to achieve. Now, it doesn't mean you can't trail a stop, but it means that for the moment, what you're looking at is almost like a guaranteed directional trade of 3 ticks. Now, obviously, it can go in your favor, it can go against you as well, and that's not the reason behind taking this trade. We have a stop if that does occur, but as far as what your profit expectation is, 3 ticks, not 10 ticks, not 5 ticks, not 20 ticks, but 3 ticks. Now, I do teach trailing stops, and you can trail a stop once you make your first target. And so you see the expectation was hit, you're out of the trade, you're done, you're moving on to the next signal. Now, in this specific example, because the market's a little bit slower, you can take or trade more contracts to make up for that just 3 tick model. For those of you who are just starting off, I always recommend trade with 1 contract, learn the method, practice. It's not so much about making money right in the beginning. As you learn to trade, it's about being consistent and understanding how it works. If you're interested, all the classes are recorded with lifetime licenses for the software we offer. Until next time, good trading.
If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.